You know, Tastic for me was my favorite sort of like Sunday dish, the seven colors kind of like story. You would look forward to it in the sense that you would be even woken up in the morning to go to church, and if you didn't go to church, you wouldn't get that kind of plate. Hello, welcome to my kitchen. And I've got something special for you guys with Tastic, custard and jelly that went to a private school. So, jelly, custard, but with Tastic rice. Every person, when you were to mention your seven color sundae, you know, you can't have that perfect meal without a jelly and a custard as your dessert. The challenge that I was given as a brief today from Tastic was touch, to present something that would give you that element of touching it. Add some vanilla essence into it, add some sugar into it, add some nutmeg, add whatever sweetness that you would like. Donkey with rice. Okay, camera guys, follow me. So, we wait. Heritage to me, it's who I am, what I am, where I come from, without anything ever changing where I come from. All right, should be ready now? Let's check it out. Perfect. This Heritage Month, Tastic Rice and I invite you to celebrate your heritage your way.